tune him up, make sure he's in tip-top condition, ready to knock some guy out on the weekend.
Yeah, definitely.
So today we're going to do a short video, so we're going to show the adjustments that we're going to do with Tommy, and then you can see how a chiropractic works with an athlete and how it feels afterwards. Yeah?
Yeah, alright.
Let's do it, mate. Come and have a lie face down. Alright. So, first of all, we always get Tommy in the right position, so just come back down the bench a bit, mate. That's it. Drop the shoulders a little bit. So with the spine, we want to make sure that all the joints are moving properly and the spine is balanced correctly. The nervous system comes out of the spine and all the nerves are controlling everything in the body. So from Tommy's point of view, really important is that the muscles need to be firing properly. He needs to have good power from his punching, and those nerves are basically going to be controlling that. So we want to make sure the nerves are sending their messages properly to those muscles without any irritation. And basically when the spine is locked and not in the right position, it affects how that nerve works, so it means the muscle won't perform as well. So from an athlete's point of view, it's really important to make sure the spine is adjusted and corrected properly. So we'll have a look at Tommy's pelvis first. So we'll just check the length of the legs, and just bend here and then down. So we're looking at the balance of the legs at the moment. Tommy's got right leg slightly longer than the left leg, about 0.5 centimetre, which means the pelvis is just twisting onto that one side. That's a very common problem, and it's something that we can fix with a good specific chiropractic adjustment. So it moves quite nice there. This side, Tommy can probably feel it's a little bit tighter, yeah? So this moves. This one is restricted. That's the area we need to adjust. And then if we check the spine on the left, just in there. So I can feel which joint is blocked, which is not moving properly. So we adjust the left side first. So come on to your side, Tommy. Come and face me, mate. That's it. Hold those arms. Tommy's just come back from a hardcore training camp in London, beating up all the English guys over there.
Or get beaters.
So now I'm into two. Okay. So take a little breath. There now. All the weight. Come into there. Beautiful. Needed that, eh? Other side. So that noise you hear is that release of pressure from the joint. There's quite a bit of tension in there, so it makes a bit of a noise. That's it, all good. This one. That's it. It goes to there and there. Okay, now we're going to fix the pelvis where it's twisting. So the same thing, you're going to breathe in, mate. And out. All the weight is going to come into there. There we go. Good. All right, face down again now, Tom. So it all moves really nicely. So those specific adjustments bring the pelvis back to the right position. Let me check here, check the legs. So we want to get nice balanced legs. And it is nice and even now, so shows the nerves are going to function properly down in here. And drop your shoulders a little bit, mate. Chin up. Check. Okay, so just one little nudge down into there. You take a little breath. Breathe out. Right, mate. Just into there. Nudge, nice and relaxed here. There we go. Good. Just a little stretch. Make sure those ribs are all moving properly. A little stretch. Good. Again. Lovely. Okay. So this upper back in here is really important for the power that comes from Tommy's shoulders. So we want to make sure this is all moving, flexible. This is a particular tight area, so we need to adjust that next. So turn around for that, Tommy, go on your back. That's it, come down a little bit. Yeah. So you give yourself that little hug. Bend your legs. Legs together. You're just going to roll with me. Yeah. When you come onto that area, just there, just roll back, mate. Legs back to the middle, good. Okay, I'm going to lift you a little bit. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Just let it relax into there, mate. Relax your shoulders. Yeah, come down a little bit more. Right, now we're going to check for shoulder joint. So put your hand like this. There, turn your head to the side. That's it. And then just relax your arm. We're going to come here. That's it. And just let me move your arm a little bit then. I'm going to bring it over. There. Same on this side. Turn your head to the side. That's it. Again, just relax your arm. Bring it down a bit. There we go. Good. Alright. Let's have a look at the neck. Quite a bit of tension in the top of the neck today, mate. Up here on the left, we need to fix. Just fix that left side and let the neck relax into me. Beautiful. Right side. There. Same thing. The nerves from the lower neck, they're going to come down onto the shoulder, onto the deltoid, so they're controlling this muscle, so that punching power is going to be coming from in here as well, so you need to make sure those nerves communicate properly with the shoulders. So adjusting that lower neck is really important for that. That moved well, stretch again. And then we do a little bit of stretching the top of the muscles in here. So just take your deep breaths. Good. Shoulders. Yeah, put my arms up, hands together. So now we can just check for balance, make sure they come back evenly, that you do. So it's all balanced up. You just stretch your pec muscle for you as well. Then. So not too heavy training this week then, you say, it's just more like relaxing.
It's gonna be easy week.
Yeah.
Train. Just little bit work and focus on the fight.
Yeah. I suppose the body is, you know what to do now. It's just a case of resting and getting everything kind of tuned up and working properly, hydrated and good nutrition.
Yeah.
So we're going to see Tommy a couple of times this week. Make sure he's tuned up perfectly before the big fight. This one. I always like to check the knees and ankles as well. Make sure it's all moving properly. So the ankle ankle should actually bounce and move freely, but it can get locked. Like this ankle with Tomi is a little bit tighter than the other ankle, so we do a little adjustment there. I just relax your foot, Tomi. That's it. That opens up the talus joint, gets it moving properly. It's nice. Alright, come and have a sit. Okay. So when we're sitting, we always want to look after the posture, so we get a good curve in the lower back. Pelvis nice and level, shoulders good, neck's good. Finish off with this little tool. It's not a gun, so we don't have to worry about that. It's a little activator, reinforces the posture. Check your movement. Turn to the right now, so go as far as you can. So you want to get to about 85 to 90 degrees, so that's perfect. That side. How's your left side of it? Left side, you're there. Okay. Stretch it off. Good. Done.
All right. Thank you, Tim.
You're welcome, mate.
We'll be ready on the Saturday.
That's it. Tommy's gonna kick some ass. What time's the fight, Tommy?
I'm not sure what time. Maybe it's 7 o'clock in Finnish time, but I'm not sure yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna get it later.
Yeah. All right. That's it from us today. If you have any questions on any of the techniques or anything that we've done today, feel free, you can send a message and I'll be happy to answer them. But in the meantime, you should follow this guy, show him some support. He's going to fly the Finnish flag strong and hard, ready for the weekend. All right, cheers guys, signing out.